Okay, video 2 demonstrates the division level review process for IssueTrack of Interactive Tracking Solutions software system. What you'll see here, number one, is that the divisional manager had at this point received an automated email alert assigning him the task of the issue that had just been previously submitted. So the issue had been submitted, and then you see the report and the password IDs and everything. Those are automatically funneled into the email address itself. So two things can occur. Number one, they can scroll down and take a look in a read-only format of the report that had been made, and then when they're ready to do the review process, they just simply use the copy paste feature there and click here, and it'll automatically take you into the record ID from your email box. So what we'll do there is just go ahead and paste that information in, and then we're going to enter in the password that had been submitted with it as well. Okay, at this point what we want to do is we've been successfully logged back into the record for Demo 2. At this point we're going to do the division level review process, so select the task there and continue on. So at this point you can review, the divisional manager would review all the necessary information with regards, and he'd read on what the issue was, possibly any suggestions that had been made. By clicking next, it'll take him into the field in which he enters in his data, or her data at that matter. For the purpose of this, we're just going to say Supervisor A and the division managers. And what we'll just say is john@gmail.com sent the email as the division manager's email address. And what will occur now is that when the operations manager, or using terminology based upon your own company's information, would show that that's where that came from. The date the issue was resolved, once again we're going to use today's date, and then the time the issue had been resolved. Once again I had formatted this in a 24-hour 15-minute block format. Not a big deal, we can format it any way that you like. We'll say that this was reviewed at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and then make any notes that are necessary. Now this is a public view, which means that all employees could have access to this field. We can layer this, it could be customized to your needs. However, we do have a secure data entry field, in which we'll show you in a second. Okay, at this point, if there is some secure or proprietary data that needs to be entered in, what you would do is just go ahead and click on that link there, and it'll take you to a password protected site in which you enter in the recorded password for the login feature. And then just click on the summary table and locate the record ID and click the icon for editing. And at this point you'll just scroll down into the secure data fields, and then you can say this is a secure data entry field. And then what will occur is you just continue on down through the process, and you can go ahead and update the record at that point. Okay, what will occur now is you just go ahead and click out of that, you log back into your report, and submit as needed. And that concludes the divisional level review process. Once again, anything that would be required for your own customization can be met based upon your own needs. Thank you for your time.